Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Kayla Creations. I have this cute winter folio to share with you today. I've made this for my very good friend Deb, who is sadly moving away, so I haven't had a chance to give this to her yet. I made it for her birthday, which was in February, and because she's been out of town and moving and going back and forth, I just haven't been able to see her. So I thought I'd do this video and share it with you since I'm gonna have some time before I give it to her. And but I probably won't post it till after she gets it, so you may not see this till the summertime or something. So, anyways, but it's just a really cute, fun, simple winter folio, and um, I've used a paper collection that I've had in my stash that I don't do snow, so, and I don't do cold, so um, I think this was something that was gifted to me, or it was part of a swag something at a retreat or something. So I'm glad I finally have a chance to use it. But it's Echo Park Keepin'Cozy, and it's from 2013. Oh my gosh, that's how long I've had it. So anyway, but I did do a gatefold folio, and this card here is sitting on some heavyweight chipboard, and I've adhered it to the left side, and on the right side I have the magnets holding that in place. And so I've got on this little side here, I've got the cute little sticker here, and just really fun. This paper has kind of a 50s vintage vibe to it with some of the designs. And you can see in the snowflake, the design on the cover, and some of the other designs in here just remind me of, I don't know, 50s vintage. This cute journaling spot here, I don't know if you can see the lines going through there, but I did not plan this. I'd made this folio cover before, and like a couple of years ago I made it, and then I decided to add this paper to it, and this couldn't fit any better. It was like I planned it, so I was really happy about that. And then on this side I just have one of these little 3x4 journaling cards, and then we have a waterfall here held with a magnet, and I just love this. Hot cocoa makes my tummy smile. And then this another journaling card up here, and then the blank areas here for 4x6 photos, or she can do two 3x4 photos, or do one 3x4 photo vertical and do some journaling. So whatever works for her. And then there's room for 4x6 photos. There's room for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then there's room for, a couple more photos here in the pocket. And another journaling card, and just room for photo on the back, or she can add another journaling space if she wants to. Or if she doesn't have enough photos, she can always choose to cover up one of these blank spots up there. So just a fun little folio for her ski trip that she goes on every year. She and her husband like to go to Colorado, and so I'm happy to be able to use this cute paper for somebody who would really appreciate it. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this particular design, I do have a tutorial for my Halloween folio. It's a lot larger. I had sized this one down for the tutorial just so that I can it was easier to see on camera, but the dimensions I give are for the larger folio. But I think once you figure out how to do it, you can size it down to whatever size you need. And then also keep in mind that you don't necessarily need an inch deep on your folios. I have plenty of room here. I could have got away with a ½ inch, but it was already made with the 1-inch spine. So um, if you do have any questions on the folio, just don't hesitate to ask. And or if maybe you need some help with the dimensions, I'd be happy to help you. So just leave that in the comment below. And thank you so much for watching, and I would love for you to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can join me for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.